Hey my cookies, today I'm going to show you how I make chicken fajita quesadillas. Let's cook. First we're going to start with thinly sliced chicken breasts and just cut these really thin so it doesn't take long to cook. Next I'm going to sprinkle on my taco seasoning. Don't worry, I'll put that recipe in the description box. Once we have that mixed together really well, set it aside. Next, heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add in some olive oil. Once that oil heats up, go ahead and add in the chicken, but be careful not to crowd the pan. Do it in batches if you need to, so that everything cooks evenly and all the way through. When the chicken is halfway done, go ahead and add in onions, red bell peppers, and green bell peppers. Mix them together well. You can turn the heat down and cover it with a lid and just allow them to cook until those onions and bell peppers are translucent and tender. When it's done, turn off the heat and let's get ready to assemble. These are my flour tortillas. They are large and made in Louisiana, so drop that down. Now sprinkle on the cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack cheese and Colby cheese, and it's important that you buy the block of cheese and shred it yourself so that it melts properly. Now add on the meat and veggies and add more cheese on top. Now top it with my jalapeno quesadilla sauce. The recipe will be in the link in the description box, and then just fold the other side over. I'm using my electric griddle. I'm just going to spray it with cooking spray, but you can use a skillet. And I'm going to add on my quesadillas and we're going to brown them on medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Slice it in half and then enjoy my chicken fajita quesadillas. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try these and enjoy them. Until next time, be blessed.